this morning for me. I am ready to show you how I make my itchy spray, and that's what I call it, itchy spray. You know I love my coffee. Got my coffee brewing, just made some. Get your coffee, get you something to drink. But while I'm waiting for my coffee, gotta keep myself hydrated. Notice the nails are done now. Harley shirt, Harley shirt. So, let's get some water in this and then we'll talk about how to make the itchy spray. Water, always keep yourself hydrated. So first thing, I only have a little bit left. I know you don't make that much, but I just brought a bottle to put it in. Buy your bottle, recycle bottle. You'll notice on one of my next video where I show you how to make my leave-in conditioner, I recycled the bottle. So let's make the itchy spray. So it has a little bit in there already, but I want to make more. So the oils or essential oils that I use tea tree oil. Just put it here. I use tea tree oil. I use rosemary oil. Again, use whatever works for you. These are what I like. I've been using these probably close to 2 years now because I use these as a loose natural, and also I use them in my Locs too. So the third one, I use eucalyptus oil. I use peppermint oil. Name brands, buy whatever works for you. These are just the ones I have. Believe it or not, all these, I probably had these for close to a year. You buy these big bottles, they'll last you forever. And I have vitamin E oil. What I also use is rosemary oil and distilled water. I put a little bit of everything in them. So this is the rosemary, Rosewater, and I also use aloe vera juice. I'm out of distilled water, but sometimes I just put regular water in it. So first thing first is when I get my water set up first. So I'm gonna put these over here. So I usually don't, again, I don't make that much in it in a given time. So I eyeball everything, no measurements. So I'd say I probably put in, not that much. I'd say probably 1/4 a cup of rose water. Then I put some aloe vera, which I'm almost out of. Again, find a brand that works for you. I got this from CVS. I ordered this from Amazon, a set of 6 bottles, which I think is $16. I'll put the price I'll put the price in the comments below, or I'll put it on the screen, the price I paid. But this is CVS, and I waited until I got a 30% off coupon, and I got 30% off, and I think this is normally like $11. So I'm frugal. So let's put a little bit of the aloe vera juice in there. Again, probably like 1/3, 1/4 cup of the aloe vera juice. And like I said, normally I would put some distilled water. Since I already have some in here, I'm not going to put it in today. So that is it. Those are mainly water. That's all the liquid content that I put in there. Now, I put, just to keep everything reserved, I always put a little bit of vitamin E and any of my mixtures. You don't want any of your stuff to go bad. So just a little squeeze. Again, find out the measurement that works for you. I don't measure anything. I eyeball everything. So we already put this in, and we put this over here. We already put the heat. So we're going to put the peppermint oil. Probably like 2 of these in there. Because you don't want to overdo it with your essential oils, because they have to be, you don't want them too strong where they'll burn your scalp. You can overdo it with essential oils, so be careful. So that is my peppermint oil. So that was like 2 droppers. Again, ease yourself into it. I've been using it for a while, so I kind of like mine, so I can really feel the tingle. So this is the eucalyptus. We're putting probably like 2 drops or a drop, because this one's a little bit more in there. So I'll put just a little bit of that in there. Again, you don't have to get all these oils. You can just make the itchy spray with just peppermint oil. rosemary. This one, probably a half. See how much that's coming up. So I'm only putting in probably about a half of that dropper. That dropper holds a little bit more, so that's the rosemary. And tea tree. I'm almost out of my tea tree. But again, this one I put, because it's almost gone, a whole dropper in here. And those are the 4 essential oils with the vitamin E oil, and that is it. Your itchy spray doesn't take a lot. Like I say, all these oils and stuff, well, maybe not these two, but this will last me almost a year. So being a loose natural, being a lock person, you should not be spending a lot of money on products. This probably spray amount that's in here, and always shake before you use it. Shake, and I use this only to spray on my scalp. You don't want to put it really directly, well, you can put it, but it can, if you constantly spray it on the length of your hair, it'll dry your hair out. This is mainly for scalp only. And like I said, only when I feel as though I'm a little itchy, that's when I spray it. But I spray it directly on my scalp. I will also show you as I use it. So I'll make another video, or I'll add to this video when I'm ready to use it. So that was it. This is my itchy spray. So I made a good amount. This will probably last me almost 3 months, believe it or not, because I only use it when my scalp feels a little itchy. So again, this stuff will last you forever, and it's not super expensive. So here's my itchy spray. Again, what's in it is vitamin E. It is rosemary. It is tea tree. And we have peppermint. And we have eucalyptus. Again, use all. Use 1, use 2, your choice. Rosewater. I like it. Do I notice a difference without it? Not necessarily, but you know, I like to treat myself. I don't want to spend a lot of money, but I like to treat myself. So I think 3, like I said, I'll get the price for these, but these are not really expensive for how much I use. I don't use a lot of it. So, and also I use this in my leave-in conditioner, which also you'll see a video for that. And then this, and also my aloe vera. This container, because I use this as my leave-in and also for my itchy spray, I think this container can last me almost 6 months. But again, that is my itchy spray. So let's take another sip to keep ourselves hydrated. And